It's cold, right?
Wasn't even that. Almost dropped this bitch.
Stop that, stop that. What is it? It's Chaz and Mimi with you on the weekend. Yeah, we're buzzing. Yeah, tell them we're buzzing. We're here with you through the weekend. Tell them we're here with them through the weekend.
We're here on the weekend.
Oh, that was perfect. It's cold out here.
Cold as ass.
Cold as ass. That's a foreigner song. Cold as
I'll get you, my pretty.
To those of you who saw the the Google Plus thing about my balls itch, did you see that with the Tin Man? Okie dokie. I'll get you, my pretties. Oh, we've been with you through hurricane. We've been with you through cold fronts, and now it is like strong, strong winds. Stop that! It's just me with you on the weekend. Yeah?
Yep.
Yep. Yep. Yep.